Hi everyone, frustrated with failed transactions? Let's tackle the issue of how to fix Cash App payments keep failing head on. Cash App is a handy tool for quick and easy financial transactions, but sometimes you might run into hurdles when payments start failing. Don't worry though. We're here with a comprehensive guide to help you diagnose and solve these pesky problems. By following these insights, you'll ensure a smooth transaction experience and keep your financial dealings seamless. Step 1. Check your account balance. First things first, ensure that your account has sufficient funds available. A lack of sufficient balance is one of the most common reasons for payment failures on Cash App. Open the app and check your balance on the home screen to verify that you have enough money to cover the payment, including any fees that might be involved. If necessary, replenish your account with a transfer from your linked bank account. Step 2. Verify your personal information. Next, double-check your personal information. Incorrect information can lead to authentication issues and payment failures. Make sure your name, address, phone number, and linked bank account or credit card details are accurate and up to date. Navigate to the settings within the app to confirm or update these details. Step 3. Ensure the app is updated. Cash App, like any software, requires regular updates to function properly. An outdated app version may cause unexpected glitches or functionality disruptions. Visit your device's app store and check for any available updates. Install the latest version of Cash App to ensure app stability and compatibility with your device's operating system. Step 4. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for processing transactions smoothly. Unstable or weak connections might lead to transaction failures. Ensure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or have a strong cellular data signal. Try briefly toggling airplane mode on and off if you suspect connectivity issues and attempt the transaction again. Step 5. Troubleshoot any app glitches. Occasionally, app performance issues can cause transactions to fail. Try closing and reopening the Cash App to reset its processes. If problems persist, clearing the app's cache may resolve any lingering glitches. To do this, go to your device's settings, find Cash App in the list of apps, and select the option to clear cache. Step 6. Contact Cash App support. If none of the previous steps resolve the issue, it might be time to reach out to Cash App's customer support. They can assist with more complex issues related to your account and provide insights or solutions that aren't immediately apparent through DIY troubleshooting. Use the app's help section to access support or visit their official website for further assistance. Understanding how to fix Cash App payments keep failing can save you from future headaches and ensure smooth financial transactions. By checking your balance, verifying personal details, keeping your app updated, ensuring a stable internet connection, and troubleshooting any glitches, most issues can be swiftly resolved. Remember, Cash App support is always there to help if the problem persists. With these tips in mind, you're back on track to seamless and worry-free transactions. Happy Cash Apping!